Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to Huda American Schools. Here, our students learn all the skills that they need to solve any mathematical problems that they may encounter in their real life. We teach them the skills, we teach them the tools, and we give them the self-confidence to conquer and solve any challenge that they encounter. Our philosophy is that theory without practice is like a bird trying to fly with only one wing. So we try and balance our teachings by doing projects. Projects which are connected with their other subjects and projects which are connected mainly with robotics, as you can see around us. We believe that technology is the mainstream of our area and we want our students to be as much confident and as much skilled as possible. Welcome to Huda again. Here, sky is our limit and your child's future is in safe hands.